I'm in a $5 bonus now on the 2-cent denom. So that's 25, 5, 10, 20, 20, 20. 5 more. Fuck you. 20 more. I'll take minis all day. I don't give a shit. Fine. Whatever. Come on. Do something good. Alright. Whatever. I'll take that. Better than that fucking 250 shit. $50. $5 fucking dollars. Come on. Still mad that 750 bonus died. But whew, I pulled out some desperate ass money, man. This helps. This is a machine that got me going the night my friend was playing blackjack. Literally, other than that one session I had with you, is the last time this machine was good to me, was this exact machine. Hooked me up again, which means I'm gonna lose on it like the next 50 trillion times I play it. Shitty bonus, but drop that minor or major, man. Fuck it. Just fucking drop it. Who gives a shit? You're gonna get it all back. Don't worry. Just put the motherfucker down right now. It's teasing me, man. I saw the fucking major and the minor go by already. $2 and fucking 50 cents. $37.50. Okay. Just fill the fucking screen up. Piece of fucking shit. Fuck you. Oh my god, the major went by again. Fuck you.